call any oh. Who you brother I be a miss with any huh?
Me
Any.
no problem.
I know Kakasha me. Who you pay bia? What's a linked?
It's linked to what? It's linked to this.
To my ring. You know, this finger too is linked to the heart. To ye pet or don't be back. Nothing to be behind me. But you're looking pretty this morning. No, I'm quite sorry.
I don't need you to tell me that I know I look pretty.
Oh, come on. Man can't Man can't oh, I'm sure they say be extra magnified. It be so to me more new zigzag. Me, Nameka. I give you confidence in this Ghana. Until I told you you're beautiful, you didn't know you were beautiful.
Who are you talking to?
Efia-Odo.
You're not talking to me, nigga. I've been the baddest even before you see me. Okay?
Yes, you are the baddest until I told you, baby, you're not bad. You're good. You're okay. Then you had the confidence.
Yeah,
In China, I'm quite sorry. And then yes, you be woo.
I'm sorry, I'm not a Christian. I don't go to church. I worship in my house. I worship outside. I worship everywhere.
So you don't believe in Jesus?
Oh, I believe in his existence, but I worship God straight. I don't have to worship God through Jesus.
Until you know what they found home, but who quite?
Oh, saying there, it's good. It's your body.
And Good Friday. I'm quite ye.
A year, they're crazy. They're black.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I was saying long. When you're short now, Franco, pastors.
Eh?
We see a long dress, men go short now, pastors.
Measure short. Oh, I measure by the family, my already.
Yeah. The big man said, oh, I could shaking the toe.
How come you not going to church?
I just woke up though.
You just woke up.
I'll go in the evening. Yeah, I've taken my bath, please. That's why I was angry with my viewers that if you're the old area or yeah, you know we're 1,000 something. Me and my sorry Jerry, my strength cool cry. My strength cool.
Me Jerry.
No, Jerry, sister.
I know only minute done sorry.
Sister, okay, mommy, here about too. Oh, do I say oh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Say me kind of about almost per was more. Me live highest 200. Highest.
Hey, you can't lie.
I'm telling you.
Really? Right now,
I'm telling you.
5, wow.
Hey, oh dear, no, dear Baham. Oh dear, no. I'm not transfer Baham. Eh, oh, park on the card. Oh, I'm the same in the Johnny every my life. Papa, be a Johnny. The Ghana for. Compare Efia Odo. Oh, beyond penny.
Oh, Mukau, you're so funny. Like, oh, everybody loves you so much. Like, you're so funny.
Do you love me?
Me, I don't mean mom there. Me, I don't mean.
Oh, you just said everybody, unless you're not a part of everybody.
I'm not part of everybody.
Oh, come on, don't say that.
I don't love you no more. I used to love you, but I don't love you no more.
We don't talk anymore. We don't. Baby, don't do that. So what's up with you?
Nothing.
No movie projects, nothing.
Yes, I'm working on me. You know, also I don't really like talking about the stuff that I'm doing.
Okay, yeah, that aspect, that's good. Yes. I'm glad also on Pekasa.
So, in general, I'm in Pekasa. This will be a coming. Yes. Hey, what?
And then me a mumu. So on Pekasa, me a mumu.
Clemento, me, the only time I talk is when interview, and I say, oh, yeah, becoming. And I
say, Ofe DKBia, your best friend.
Who?
Your best friend.
Who's the best friend?
Is it Efia Nocturnal?
Who?
Efia Nocturnal.
Oh, okay. I thought you said something else.
No. I don't. And I sister Efia. Who is your best friend? That's Efela Makafui. Oh, I've forgotten.
I thought what you would talk about.
And now pen to pass uncle and for more.
Why you always say why don't me on me? I'm a real ass bitch. Okay, I don't like that fake shit. A lot of these people, I'm not trying to beef. I don't do that shit. You feel me? Me, if I don't like you, I'm gonna let you know I don't like you. I'm not gonna fuck with you. Me no one answer. Me no one casa. Me follow. But most of these bitches, they don't like me, but they want to talk to me. So if I find out you don't like me, I'm gonna press you. I'm gonna press you about it, and then block and delete you.
Into real ass bitch. Robi beside me said on Tiase. You cheat the real ass bitch. Oh yeah, cry my too. Oh yeah, cry my too. Hey, Efia Odo.
Oh my god, I'm a real ass.
Yeah, cry my too, papa. Oh, but say what Mark watching, Mark watching, and you're fine.
Many of Bianco, yo. That's the thing I'm trying to tell you. Yes, it's not my fault to be friends with anybody. It's not my fault to be cool with anybody. Me come ask them now. Hey, whole business. You get what I'm saying? I'm not fighting.
Okay, to sister Efia on your back, I'm sure.
Send your man down now,
Hey.
Make a cry. Hey,
Oh, too good. Now, feel like I feel this way. What about the show? So, after a while.
If she calls me, sure, why not?
Oh, that's awesome. Some feel you know. Now, because you have to say, brother, man.
What else today?
Hey, Kwesiata. Kwesiata. Efia Odo. Yo, now shut up, sir.
Shut up, oh. That's my nigga. That's my nigga for life. Is that all Miami?
But threesome now, 1 2 do me up.
What's today?
But threesome be man 2 do me am up. Say what me a dog go pa.
For him. Mika, I'm gonna look for girls for him.
Count. It has to be foursome.
What's this? I wanted to do somewhere with who?
One thing.
Nancy.
Nancy.
Oh, but then in the crack.
I didn't know any credit now.
Oh, but I'm kind in the crack.
Me no new or no be kind.
And today I'm finding one.
Bobo do the Marco research about the cash.
Because I don't think so. What you didn't now anymore. Anyone.
Okay, but Udia memory they have me. Me ain't been see our own cajon. Shut up movement in a cajon. Shut up for life.
But it's not like that. But go for
It's now called Bruchia, okay, say a higher ball, I won't have you. Okay, say.
I never said any of those things. Me, I don't know what you're talking about.
But you said, yeah, Jimmy, you Ghana for Jimmy. When you went for a long stay.
No, I never. Come me can't say Ghana for me, Jimmy. No more Ghana. And I may say a boom. Like I didn't mean to say. I didn't generalize it for like everyone, but the majority of them, no, it do make Jimmy because the way they behave, the way they act, the way they think, it doesn't make sense to me. Like they're hypocrites. And I don't like hypocritical people.
Oh, okay.
But so
near Jason, oh my baby. Say, and I'm before you be best show airport. Or am I correct time?
first of